Hope you're having a great day today, guys, and I'm going to show you how to disassemble and reassemble a M&P AR-15 .22 caliber. And first thing we're going to do is check if it's safe. Going to take off the mag. Now it's safe, as you can see. And what you're going to want to do is, if you're trying to disassemble your gun, gonna press that in. Whenever you hear that click, that means you know it's good. Then you're gonna want to break the barrel. Okay, now you broke the barrel. Take these two guys out. Lay them off to the side. Then take this off. Hear that tiny little click. Then, once you hear that click, take off. Now it's disassembled. And if you have a muzzle, you can take that guy off too. Now it's all disassembled. You're going to want to look through the barrel, through this thing, and after you've been shooting 50, 100 rounds, whatever, or a round, you clean it. And you've probably already cleaned your gun, so now you want to see the assembly. You put this in first. Only about that much. Right here. That guy in. Hear that little snap? Put the muzzle back on if you took it off. Just takes forever to get the muzzle back on. You get your gun, just like this. This is always a pain to get off, or to get back on, but you just have to finagle with it a little bit. Now it's snapped in. Put that guy back in place. Then put this in. Now, you have disassembled and reassembled your M&P Smith & Weston .22 caliber long rifle AR-15 .22. So yeah. That's all it is, guys. Now, you're ready. So, like, comment, subscribe if you enjoyed. See you next time, guys. Bye.